In Ridgewood, New Jersey, police conducted a routine traffic stop involving sports journalist Dianna Russini, months later after Russini publicly claimed she avoided a ticket by FaceTiming a famous NFL coach. Official body cam footage revealed what actually happened.
Yeah. Officer Bernard, Ridgewood Police, you'll be recording my body camera. Can I just get your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
Put me with the phone.
Yeah.
So, you're not going to care. I'm an NFL reporter, and I just broke that Sean McDermott got fired from the Bills, and that is what I was just sending to send a tweet. I was going to pull over because I have to make calls.
Okay.
I know you don't care, but I'm just letting you know my reason why.
Okay.
It was a work thing, and it was an emergency for what I did. I have a more updated license, but just take that so you know I'm not like some crazy, well, I'm a crazy person, but you know what I mean.
Thank you.
And I've never gotten a ticket.
Okay. So, obviously you were on your phone for a while, right? I was on, when you went under the underpass, right? On Garber Square, I was by Library Place. So you're on your phone there. I got behind you, right, by Whole Foods. You continue to be on your phone, right? I understand you have a job.
Of all times. It's like, no one expects, are you full head?
Yeah.
Like, I'm shocked that they fired me. I cannot believe it. You know who was on the phone with?
Who?
Brian Gable, because he lost the job.
Oh, okay.
Are you a fan of Giants or Jets?
I'm not a fan of either, so.
What is your team?
I'm a Vikings fan, unfortunately. Let's see it.
Can you see the name?
Oh my God. KOC?
See what I said? Look what I said to him though just now. Go to the bottom.
Oh my God. Wow. Pretty cool.
Dude, I love the Vikings though. They're awesome. KOC's awesome.
Yeah. He seems like a good
Your
dude.
quarterback sucks though.
Yeah. So he's got to get it. He's got to fix it. He's got to turn it around or someone else is going to get him. What is? Do you have your registration as well? That's what I was going to ask next is like, have you ever gotten points, anything like that? No? No? All right. You heading home now?
Yeah, so I'm going to go on TV and work.
Okay. What channel?
Well, I work for The Athletic, which is like the New York Times.
Yeah.
I'm doing something for Fox this morning.
Okay, cool. Cool.
I used to be ESPN.
All right. Just give me a minute, okay? Do you have an updated driver's license?
Oh, here's one. I drove in so 5.5 hours.
Perfect. Here, you can take this one back. All right, I'll be right back with you, all right?
Yeah.
Who's the registered owner of the vehicle?
It's either me or my husband, Kevin Goldschmidt.
Okay. Oh, you live in Whitecroft with him? Okay, so just a heads up too, like you do have to update your driver's license, right? The address, because it says you're from Norwood.
Yeah, I used to live there, but I don't live there anymore.
Okay.
We bought the house like 2 years ago, so I know I got it.
Yeah, so update
I need
that.
a real ID too, right?
So
No, like the new.
because it says not for real ID purposes, yeah. It's a pain, but you do have to get that.
I swear it's not an excuse. I literally can't get an appointment. Why is it so backed up?
I'm not sure, honestly. And everyone hates going to the DMV, but it's one of those things like you have to do. Listen, I'm going to cut you a break on the cell phone. I understand your job requires you to be on the phone a lot.
I know. It's so bad. I shouldn't do it.
Just try to wait till you get home, okay? And yeah, keep me updated with the Vikings, okay? Let me know if KOC is going to get a new quarterback
Follow me
in.
on Twitter, you see my name.
Of course. All right, man. Take care.
Despite what was claimed on the podcast, the full 7-minute and 10-second body cam footage proves that Dianna Russini never made a phone call or FaceTimed anyone during the entire interaction. While she repeatedly name-dropped several high-profile NFL coaches to the officer in an attempt to leverage her professional connections, no call ever took place. The officer ultimately let her off with a warning, but the release of the official video completely debunked her viral story, leaving her facing public criticism for fabricating the encounter. What do you think about people using name-dropping or fake stories to get out of traffic tickets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more body cam breakdowns, exclusive footage, and real-life police encounters, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next case.